Hello everyone, I'm Andre and I'm very happy to see you again in this channel. And now I would like to share to you about my dreams and the tips how to make my dreams come true. So if you're curious about my dreams, please watch this video until the end. Being a good English teacher is one of my biggest dreams. Since I was senior high school, I was dreaming of being a good English teacher. My father who inspired me to being a teacher. He is a teacher in elementary school. By working as a teacher, he can have enough income for my family. So it's the reason why I would like to be a teacher. And why I choose English? Because English is the subject that I like the most. So those are the reasons why I choose being an English good teacher. Next, I would like to tell you about the tips how can make my dreams come true. The first tip is choose suitable university for my dream. After I graduate from my senior high school, I continued my study in Ganesha University, majoring English language education. By continuing my study in here, I hope I can achieve my dream, become a good English teacher. The second tips is study hard. I will study anything that make me more mastering English, such as writing, reading, listening, and speaking. I learned how to manage class with classroom management, how to make a lesson plan with curriculum development, and the other lesson. The third tips is pray to God. I always pray to God and ask God to easier my way on achieving my dreams. And I believe I will help with God to make me easier to make my dreams come true. And the last tips is want to make my parents proud of me. And the last tips is want to make my parents proud of me. I always supported of my parents to achieve my dream. So I will struggle to make my parents proud of me in the way of being good English teacher. So that's all about my dreams and the tips how to make it come true. I hope you enjoy my video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Like the cool blue light.